Hey guys, what's up? So to show the top best search trees, iOS 11 up to iOS 15. Some probably do when iOS 16. So the first tree is called Snap Night. Will make dark mode for your Snapchat app. So it gives you that dark mode for Snapchat. Next tree is called Pass Connect. Cisco AnyConnect now remembers password as well as username. This tree is called Night Owl. Auto enable Twitter dark mode theme based on local sunset and sunrise time. This tree is called Immortal. Actually one of my favorite tweets I think back in the day. Prevents expiration of signed iOS applications and bypass 3 free signed applications per device limit. We have Immortal notifications and prevents notifications on the lock screen from being cleared when the notification center is pulled down. Requires iOS 7. Next tree is called IG Save Voice. Save Instagram voice messages by a long press. So Instagram app doesn't let you download and save voice messages. This tweet changes this behavior by adding a long press gesture. If you hold your finger on a voice message, voice file will be downloaded and shareable. Then we have IG Saver and Instagram Media Saver. Next is called All Buy Tweets, and it combines all the buy tweets into one preferences panel for easier access. The tweet does not function by its own. It requires the buy tweets installed on the screenshot function is supposed to be. So it's all these tweets over here you see on the screen. Next is called Add Mob App, and it's the unofficial Add Mob app. With this app, you can see the balances at Add Mob. Next is called ISHS Hit. Easily back up your firmware SH blobs. Allows you to back up device firmware SH blobs from Apple directly on your device for later downgrade. Automatically use the cydia on file service in the background. Updated file 6.1.2. So you see some of these are older tweets. Keep that in mind. Alright, and if you guys are asking why am I doing these older tweets, I actually go by a whole list of when they got updated. I don't know why, but tweets, I usually go by Twitter pages. They usually upload when tweets get updated, and I'm just going by the whole list. So I don't know why I'm saying these got updated when obviously these are like really old tweets, but I'm still going to cover them in the video. So next tweet's called Dessert Bus. It's the worst game ever. Drive from Tucson to Las Vegas, 360 miles, 8 hours in real time without stopping. So yeah, it's like you're driving and it's pretty much like a game. Pretty cool. Alright, next tweet's called Monokai, called iOS 11 and 12. Let's customize the colors of the build and Reddit themes. Next tweet's called Pika Hide, and tweet that disables Snapchat jailbreak or tweak detection. So support for these Snapchat versions. Next tweet's called Orange Me Not, cause iOS 8 and up. Very similar tweets remove orange dots. That's the test flight beta apps on iOS 8. Next tweet's called Remind Me Anywhere. Triggers and pop up a box with custom text anywhere via activator. Configure options from settings. Next tweet's called Proton, called iOS 8 and 9. It's a sleek, unified design, revolutionary way to experience your music wherever you desire. Next tweet's called No More Magnifier. Called iOS 9 removes magnifying glass when selecting text. And the last tweak is called Flame, provides various improvements to the user experience for cydia to make it more enjoyable. So it offers many great features. You can export your installed tweets. You can shorten cydia's refresh time, add multiple sources at once, automatically respring reboot or return to cydia. You can refresh sources automatically by bipolar refresh. Set the default page on cydia. Tap and hold a source to copy its URL. You show the package info from package suspicions. Auto redirect to HTTPS when adding sources if possible. Prevent cydia from automatically refreshing. And you have extensive UI interface customization and much more. Configure options from the setting. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.